By the end of the video, we'll know about how to lose skinny fat in 1 month, transforming your body into a leaner and more defined physique. To start, it's essential to understand what skinny fat means. It refers to having a relatively low body weight, but a higher percentage of body fat, often concentrated around the midsection. The goal is to reduce body fat while building lean muscle mass. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you achieve that in just 1 month. Step 1. Nutrition. A balanced diet is the cornerstone of any fitness transformation. Focus on the following. High protein intake. Aim to consume 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. This supports muscle growth and repair. Healthy fats. Include sources of healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Complex carbohydrates. Opt for whole grains, vegetables, and legumes over simple sugars and refined carbs. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dynamize ESO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. Step 2. Strength training. Strength training is crucial for building muscle and improving body composition. Focus on compound movements. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and rows work multiple muscle groups and are highly effective. Progressive overload. Gradually increase the weight or resistance to challenge your muscles and promote growth. Frequency. Aim for at least 3 to 4 strength training sessions per week. Step 3. Cardiovascular exercise. Incorporate cardio to help burn fat. HIIT high-intensity interval training. Short bursts of intense exercise, followed by rest periods. HIIT is efficient and effective for fat loss. Steady-state cardio. Activities like walking, jogging, or cycling for longer durations at a moderate intensity. Step 4. Rest and recovery. Recovery is just as important as the workouts themselves. Sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to allow your body to repair and grow. Rest days. Ensure you have at least 1 to 2 rest days per week to prevent overtraining. Step 5. Consistency and patience. Supplements. While not necessary, supplements can aid in achieving your goals. Protein powders to meet your daily protein intake easily. Creatine helps improve strength and muscle mass. Multivitamins ensure you're getting all essential nutrients. By the end of the month, following these steps diligently will bring you closer to a leaner, more defined body. Remember, the key is consistency, a balanced diet, and a well-rounded workout routine. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Let's embark on this journey together and achieve our fitness goals.